Chinese company LONGi, one of the global leaders in solar module manufacturing, has announced a new breakthrough in energy conversion efficiency. Their latest prototypes of dual-junction tandem perovskite solar cells have achieved a record-breaking efficiency of 34.6%. This result was confirmed by experts from the U.S. Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, officially granting LONGi a world record. The previous record was held by King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, KAUST, in Saudi Arabia, where a similar device achieved an efficiency of 33.7%. LONGi's breakthrough was made possible by utilizing a dual-layer interface passivation strategy, which improved electron transport and hole blocking efficiency. These innovations led to the certification of dual-terminal devices with record-setting efficiency. In addition, LONGi has demonstrated impressive results in large-scale commercial developments. Their two-terminal tandem cells in M6 size reached 30.1% efficiency, while their 1 square meter modules achieved 25.8%. These figures significantly surpass traditional silicon solar cells, confirming the superiority of perovskite technology. Tandem silicon perovskite solar cells are considered the foundation of next-generation ultra-efficient solar technologies. Theoretically, they can achieve efficiencies of up to 43%, far exceeding the known Shockley-Kayser limit of 33.7% for single-junction silicon cells. LONGi's founder and president, Lee Jung-ho, emphasized that the company has always prioritized innovation, investing significant resources in research and development. This commitment has enabled LONGi to take a leading position in the industry and push the boundaries of renewable energy technology.